The following movie is rated I.
Alright, Condor, let's go for a rip. Choke is buried way in there. Probably need it. Guess we'll go get some gas. Almost 80 today. Don't do it. Proximity thing either. Wow, that bird almost flew into me. Good Lord, 429. That's ridiculous. Little baby tanks in these things. What'd it take? 1.2 gallons? Yeah, well, I guess that was pretty low. Need some fresh gas anyway. Take a ride down to Rec Park. I haven't been in here in ages. A hang glider takeoff on top of that hill. And they used to have a gymkhana thing down here. How's it going? Anything left at a horse ring down there?
Not really.
No? When I was a kid I used to ride gymkhana down there.
Yeah.
And then I remember when they fenced all this off so you couldn't go in the back. And I was just thinking, I was driving by and I was like, I wonder if there's still a ring down there.
It's still there, but nobody knows.
No, yeah, I know they haven't used it in years.
Yeah.
But there's still something there?
Yep.
Oh yeah? Can I ride in there or no? Alright, I'm gonna check it out. We used to go all the way up to the hang gliding hill years ago. Man, I check it out. Take it easy. Oh yeah, there is some stuff left. I have to dig out some old 8mm. Wow. No, nothing left. Yeah, I think I was about 12. Used to be a lot of fun here. Used to be a little judging booth right there. You'd come around. This whole field would be full of horse trailers and people with horses. Boy, those were the days, huh? Boy, time changes. Crazy. I'll dig out those 8mm for you. Yep, Cheez used to ride a horse. Used to be a trail over on that side that would cut all the way back through and go to Harlem Valley Psychiatric Center. Man, I rode my dirt bike all over this. Still stuff set up. Did the poles and the barrels. Oh, that trail ain't there anymore. No way. Deer track. Let's do the barrels. You know, lefty or righty? It's a little soft. Sandy, I should say. Last barrel, boys. Do the jumps. Jeez, that was a long time ago. Well, let's go up the road. People used to come up here and fly airplanes. I can still see the clearing up there where the hang gliders used to take off. There was a skeet shooting thing right there on the right. And right here. There's a little spot back there we used to go camping. I'll check that on the way back. So everybody used to do stuff outside. I don't know what that is. Wow. There's a house up here. Holy cow. Oh, a cabin. They must have been jumps that people set up for the horses. Let's see if that's still open in there. Nope. Oh, that's thick. Oh, it looks like the deer are still using it. Holy cow, that's thick. Wow, I see trees and everything down in there. Time waits for nobody. That's why I love the motorcycle. Get out and ride. Because in a blink of an eye, 30, 40 years go by. Guess I'm showing my age, huh? I can smell them buttercups. I think it's that. Alright, we'll go down and see if that little campsite's still in here. Oh, right there. Oh boy. Still here, but wow. Muddy. Yeah, it's still here. Wow. Some heavy trails here. Got a little too much air pressure for trail riding. Good thing I filled up the gas. Wow. A little bit overgrown. Oh, that's not a pricker. Huh. Some semi-fresh tracks through here. Wow. Maybe it won't go this way. It's pretty rough. Should have kept about 20 pounds. Holy mackerel. I hope this comes out somewhere. Whew. Give my clutch hand a little break. What the heck? My God. Nothing like I remember. Wow. Crazy how overgrown it's become. I know exactly where I am now with this pine forest. Wow. Oh wow, the gate's open. That goes up to the old reservoir. Not sure whether we should do that now, but I'm not sure if we can even get out. Probably a gate down here. Let's see if this gate's open down here. Oh, it's open. And it's the old Harlem Valley Psychiatric Center. The outer houses. Jeez, well that was a little bit of a treat. Little ride. Jeez, totally forgot to take this off. I was wondering why I was a little bit fuzzy. Picked up a branch. Condor went good though.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.